Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Great Wall Steed single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4857. The shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a GW 4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. GW 4D20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol turbo diesel engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand fog light, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left door appears to have no damage, factory fitted alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear factory alloy 16-inch, good tyre. Right hand door, one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.